Okay, hey guys, welcome back to Two Guys Kitchen. We're here at the lake house. I'm Rob, of course, and Max is behind the camera. Today we're going to be doing a jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is not the easiest rice to actually make. I've been practicing it for like years, and my buddy Neil actually had a friend of his from Japan teach him how to do it. So we're gonna show you a quick way of doing it, and it doesn't involve olive oil, so don't use it. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take a cup. It's a cup to a cup and a half of ratio. So we're going to get our rice first. Rice always goes first because obviously water then will get in your rice and it'll mess up your rice. So we're going to pour this into a strainer, okay? And then what we're going to do is come over to the sink. Okay, we're going to get our water here. Just getting a cup and a half for our pan. Doesn't have a measuring there, so I'm going to go with it. Alright, and one of the tricks with jasmine rice is that you want to rinse it. Kind of clean it up a little bit. And basically what that does is it takes some of the starch out of it. If you don't, it'll end up getting a little sticky on the bottom of your pan. And no one wants, everyone likes sticky rice, but you don't want burnt sticky rice, right? So this is how you do it. So once it's all rinsed off, just shake, shake, shake. All right, pop this into your pan after it strains, and that's all there. And we're going to put on the heat and boil it up for about 5-10 minutes. So hang on with us and check. We'll be right back. What we did is we put a lid on it. Once you put the lid on, you don't want to pick it up. So the idea with this is that you want to get the water boiling up to a point where you're starting to see a little bit of white foam. The guy from Japan said once it gets to the white foam, then you remove it from the heat. And what I end up doing is put on a lower burner that's not been on yet. So we're going to move it from here to here and then let it sit for about 25 minutes. So hang on while this is boiling and I'll show you next. Okay. So now we have a little bit of foam coming up on the sides, and then we're going to move it to a new burner, and we're just going to put that on a low, let it simmer for about 25 minutes, and it should be all good to go. So wait for us and we'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, we're back, and what we're going to do here is pull this off the stove. It's been 25 minutes exactly. Now obviously we were sitting around watching Uncle Roger, and he is funny, and hopefully his ancestors will not cry when I pull this out. So let's see how it came out. I'm going to use a fork and just, nice and easy. No sticking on the bottom. Look at that. So what we're going to do here is going to add a little bit of salt. About a little bit. All right, get some butter here. Drop that in there. Nice little bit of butter. All right, and just kind of mix it in. Now you don't want to stir your rice. You want to fluff it, or fold it even, because obviously it'll just turn to mush, and no one wants mush. So basically that is how you make awesome jasmine rice. Now this is perfect. So you can put so what we're going to do here is we're going to put it a little bit on the plate, so you can see what it looks like. And what I like to do with some parsley, just put a little parsley flake right on top and make it all beautiful. And voila, there we go. So that's how you make your jasmine rice. So keep in mind when you're making jasmine rice to look for the foam and to use your fork and fold and not stir. So those are my tips for the day. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you follow us. Like us on all the social media, YouTube videos, Facebook, whatever. And make sure you come back next week. So we'll catch you on Thursday and have a great day.